Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Andy Macintosh. Andy is running for deputy mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today.
No problem, Bradley. A pleasure.
So today I want to talk about town growth. Where do you see the town in 5 to 10 years, and what do you think we need to do to get there?
Okay, that's a good question because there's a lot of pressure from the province now to grow. I guess you've heard about the Places to Grow study and stuff like this by the Ontario government. Yeah. We don't have a lot of land, so the only way we can do it is to go up and higher density, and I don't know if that is the way we want to go. The ideal size obviously is the way we are now, I feel, and I hear from a lot of people, you know, I wish it was like it was 20 years ago. Obviously we can't go back, but I think we have to be smarter with the growth. I look at things like there's a new subdivision going behind the Orangeville Mall. It's going to be huge, 600 units. I don't know if that's a good idea. When we have these floods and things now, we run into a lot of problems with the, with the amount of growth that we're having. There's no grass to soak up the water. It's all asphalt. So as far as growth, we need growth. We're being forced to grow. I just think we have to do it smarter.
Yeah. No, and that's very much important that we address those issues, and we know that information. So thanks again for coming in.
No problem.
And of course, if you'd like to see more of what Andy has to say, please do take a look at the links below. And thanks for watching.